It's time to ride Alien Swirling Saucers in Toy Story Land at Disney World's Hollywood Studios. Pay close attention and you might see some pieces of the Aliens playset that Andy won at Pizza Planet. This ride is extra fun at night because of the dazzling lights that only come on after dark. My favorite part is the music. As you ride, you'll hear science fiction-inspired versions of favorite songs from the Toy Story movies. You know what would be really cool? If you're enjoying our videos, would you please strike that like? Thank you. Now, let's ride Alien Swirling Saucers!